Hi, today we've got the Polaroid CUBE. Now, why have I got one of these, you may ask? Let me explain. I have a motorbike. I want to record, and I don't want one of those horrible big cameras stuck on the side. I wanted something small. Plus, if it falls off, I don't want it to cost hundreds of pounds for me to lose a lot of money. So, this is why the Polaroid CUBE came top of my list. Reason being, it's fairly old technology in the realms of cameras, as in, is about 4 years old, which means there's still lots of them out there. They've all been well tested, they're still on sale, and they're relatively cheap compared to the most updated cameras that you can now buy. So, let's have a look. Do you know what? That's fairly small. Tiny in actual fact. And, by the looks of it, we use a coin to undo the back. I don't know whether you can see that. Let's see if I can get a bit closer so you can have a look. Start again. So, the coin's in the back. Twist it off. And there's the back with your bits and gubbins in. We've got a switch in there that changes it over from 720p to 1080p, charging socket, and an SD card holder. Now, makes sense. Getting the back on, there we go. Now, more about the operation. Sticky label, get rid of that. We've got a magnet. Clearly it's going to come in handy for something. And the operation. And I think there's one button on this, which is on top. Push it. Oh, push and hold. It's beeping. I think you push once. Beeps. I think that's for the photograph. Do we push it twice? Okay, push it twice and it starts recording. And what I do is I'll upload this footage so you can see the actual quality of it. Fairly simple, I guess. Push it twice and it stops recording, and then you push and hold it. And it turns off. Easy, simple. Now, also more importantly, I bought one of these as well, which is a helmet mount. And by the looks of it, it says, trying to get it out there. There we go, got the packet. It's a fairly simple, so I've got 3M sticky on the bottom. Obviously sticks onto the helmet. And there's a release clamp with two squeezy bits on the side that comes away from the actual mount itself. That, I think, being left on my helmet, I'd be happy with that. And all these stupid little arms that I've seen advertised everywhere, that's quite smart. Now, the reason why I didn't want all these arms is my helmet's got a flip front. Which of course means it's going to take anything off that's at the top. So the mounting needs to be on the side. And by the looks of it, I think that mount would be perfect just there. Okay, so nice clean part of the helmet. Let's peel off the label. I think I want it. About there. Fairly unintrusive, I don't think. Not going to fall off, that's for sure. And the best thing is, is that it does swivel as well, so I can get the angles. Now, doesn't impede the access with the visor going up, and it mounts like that. I guess we all want to see how it's going to look, so and trust me, when I look at the camera I'll be seeing this for the first time as well. Hopefully that doesn't get in the way. Let's see if I can operate it as well, that'd be interesting. Can't hear anything. There we go, can hear it beeping, that's on. If I push it twice, it's beeping, and I believe that's recording. So wherever I'm looking now, hopefully it's at the same thing, which is at the camera. Anyway, really simple camera, well worth the effort. If you're going to buy a camera for your helmet, I think this is a perfect one. If you're enjoying this review, check out my other ones as well, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much. See you soon.